Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to play Feliz Navidad. So I'm going to use a version where you can see it's Y keys only. You're going to start on G, then C to the right of it, B, C, A, wait, wait. Repeat the A, go up to D to the right from it, C, A, G, wait, wait. Repeat what you just did. And now add F, A, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, and wait. Now I'm going to do everything I did now one more time. And then you repeat the beginning, G, C, B, C, F, A, D, C, A, G. And repeat again the beginning, G, C, B, C, A. Repeat F, A, double G, A, G, F, F, E, and then wait. The next part is triple E, one more E after that. So 4 E's, D, then C. Repeat the C, go to A, and back to C. So I'm going to show how this part goes. And now we're going to have D, repeat it 4 times. D, 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 C, A, G, F sharp, G. Repeat the previous part 4 E's. A, D, C, B. Repeat the B, hold it. Now C, D, D, E, D, C. And then repeat, I want to wish you. And repeat it one last time, E, D, C, C, A, D, C, B, C, D, and finish with D, E, D, C. And that's it.